This compact disc, which accompanies the introduction to Old Occitan, has two parts. First, I will read the texts in the first 4 chapters of the book and offer some practical advice on how to pronounce the language. Then Elizabeth Aubrey will sing 5 of the songs: the Pastorelle by Marka Bru in chapter 13, Geoffrey Rudel's Song of Love from Afar in chapter 15, Bernard de Ventadorn's Song of the Lark in chapter 18, the Tenceau, or Dialogue, by Guiraut de Bornel and Alamanda in chapter 19, and the Sirventes, or Satire, by Bertrand de Born in chapter 20, which imitates the musical and metrical form of the Tenceau. The book provides an introduction to pronunciation of the language in chapter 1, with more detailed historical presentations of stressed vowels in chapter 12, unstressed vowels in chapter 13, and consonants in chapters 15 to 18. Please refer to these chapters for more detail than will be given here. Old Occitan was spoken a long time ago, and no one can claim to pronounce it with complete authority today. The most important thing at the beginning of your study of the language is simply to start pronouncing it, just for the sake of getting it off the page, to make it a live, spoken language once more. In that spirit, I will plunge into the Vita of Geoffrey Rudel, the reading in chapter 1.